Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I am bringing you an unboxing today. I have not had a beauty subscription box in a long while. I used to be subscribed to Ipsy. I think I had Birchbox and Sephora and another one, but I am now really interested in this Allure beauty box. And the reason why I'm interested in it is because I saw Carli Bible do an unboxing of her April beauty box collaboration with Allure Beauty. And so these are the products that she handpicked. In case you didn't watch that video, I am here to do my unboxing of all the products, and I am so excited because I haven't had, besides FabFitFun, I haven't had a beauty subscription in a long time. So these are $15 normally. This box is $15 normally, and I really like it because the products that you get are either deluxe samples or full sizes versus Sephora and Ipsy where you just get a lot of mini sizes or sample sizes. And I just have this like giant box of sample size products that you would think that you could just get through like a ton of them, but it just became so overwhelming. Also, I love Carli Bible. I watch her videos all the time, so when she came out with an April beauty box, I figured I would give it a try. I really love the products that she showed on her video, and so this is going to be redundant if you've already seen her video, but if you're maybe my skin color and you see me swatching these, maybe that will keep you watching my video. We'll see. So my name is Coulter. This is my channel called Pretty Casual. Hope you guys subscribe before you leave, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you stay tuned for more videos. And now on with this unboxing. Digging right into the box. I've been loving clear bags lately. It's just so much easier when you know what the heck is in the bag. So it's a cute little kind of like clutch style. I love this detailing right here. It looks like a little screw. And then the first thing here is this Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Phenomenal, what is this? Organic Tan Infused Cloths. Oh, okay, so it comes with these 2 organic tan infused cloths. I have personally never tanned other than occasionally being out in the sun, but I've never had a fake tan or spray tan or anything like that. I do have a bottle of Vita Liberata, but I haven't used it yet just because I am naturally tan. So it'll be interesting. Maybe I can use these cloths on my legs or my arms for the summertime and kind of have a little bit more of a glow. All right, next up is this Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Eyeliner Gel Eyeliner. I am all about the waterproof eyeliner. Oh, and it's a twist up, which is really nice. And this is in the shade Brown Sugar. So here it is right there, not black and not a light brown. I love that it's not a black shade because I have so many black eyeliners already. All right, so the next thing here is this really cute eyeshadow brush. Okay, so this is by Moda, and this is a Triad Eye. Look at this brush. I love the gold brush with this texture on it. Next up is this Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra Ombre. Ooh, pretty. So pretty. Gorgeous color. Oh my god, you guys, it broke. Oh no! Oh my gosh, it just rolled onto the floor. I'm so sad right now. Why? Okay, I'm gonna pull it all the way down. So I'm just gonna leave a little nub right there and hopefully use it all the way down to where it broke off and I can save it. Next is this Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Oh, it's called Bronzage or Bronzage. Bronzage, so pretty. You can use this with that Mally eyeshadow, or you can use it on its own. You can also pat it on top for a little bit more. Gorgeous. Next is this Nastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Pure Hollywood. So this is gorgeous. Woo! Wow. Liquid lipstick culture, not a lip gloss. Okay, definitely put too much on. We'll have to tone it down somehow. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I blotted my lips a little bit, and it's actually really pretty. It's definitely gonna look a little different because I already had that gloss on underneath it. So, but I really love this color. Pure Hollywood, very pretty. Okay, and then lastly is this Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Obviously, this is for the hair. I already like Briogeo. I don't think I've had this type of product, Farewell Frizz, but I love anything that's like a leave-in conditioner. So there you have it. I love these shades, loving the lips. So for the first Allure beauty box that I've received, very happy with it. I kind of knew already what I was going to be getting, so I'm very curious to see what the future boxes will bring. So stay tuned to my channel if you want to watch future Allure beauty box unboxings, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye!